Okay, we found the Mexican cicada. Look up. Spread your wings. Now these, here goes the the nasty bastards we've been killing all day in Princeton, New Jersey.
Yeah, here. It goes in the sandwich. Mwah.
I hope you got this.
And then they're crunchy.
Did you eat it?
No, but it looks like I eat it. What's the video game? It looks like I eat it. You gotta go borrow, you go like Mexican eating cicada.
There they go, they're all over. They make these radio noises. Every 17 years they come out to have fun.
Oh, cicada. Cicada something. Dijo cicada. Sí, ya hay videos.
All over the roof. Hundreds of them. I'm trying to get one making a noise. Oh, they're flying everywhere. They'll smack you right in the face, too.
Gosh!
Right now I'm a roofer. I'm on a TPO roof. They're attracted to this green. Roofer local 30, baby. We've been killing them all day. There he goes. They are ugly. They're about 2 inches long by 1 inch wide. They are ugly. They fly all over. They make noises. I can't wait till these things go away.